What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a quick look at Polygon, and as we can see, things still looking exceptionally good, really are coiling up right now for a big move to the upside in our opinion. You can see, obviously we've said it absolutely enormous amount of times on the channel, but we do think it's still important to note that we have seen, a really bullish market structure here, especially considering how bearish the sentiment has been in the market in the past few months. You can very clearly see the coiling motion here of this pennant formation we formed for Polygon. We've got the clean breakout and the back test of the pennant formation resistance here, along with the 618 Fibonacci, very bullish indeed. You can see descending wedge here, and then since we've basically broken out of this, we've been in a nice uptrend this whole time, haven't we, pretty much? Ever since we bottomed out, to be honest. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And you can kind of see what's happening here. The lows are basically doing something like this, where we are starting to essentially curve to the upside like this, starting to get that, the cup and handle formation that we've been talking about for a long while. We could essentially have a cup and handle here, and then we've finally got the breakout and the back test, or this could be the whole cup, and then we come back down, sweep some of these lows here, and then finally get that breakout for Polygon with a really big amount of aplomb. Because obviously, a lot of people were trapped at the top of the previous all-time high where they bought in, or whatever it was, 265 at the previous all-time high in May, and there was a lot of profit taking once we broke this towards that 295 area there. You can see a lot of people front running that $3 psychological target and taking profits, and you can see Polygon obviously with a bit of bearish sentiment in the market as well. On the hourly time frame, you can see what's happened here. We've essentially broke the previous all-time high, had a decent little run up, but then obviously a decent sell-off back into this range here that we have formed. Let me just outline this actually so you can see it quite clearly. We've pretty much formed a range like this, haven't we? We had a testing the highs, testing the lows. We get the breakout, but obviously, quite a lot of sell pressure with the new all-time high, with the bearish market sentiment probably. You can see we come back inside the range, and we are still just chopping it sideways in here. We did say that potentially this head and shoulders pattern could happen like this, where we come back down, retest the previous swing high area. Down here, probably not this low, but down at around, the 222 area at the least, that would be a decent area to come back down, find support, and then get the next leg up in the bounce. Because, Polygon is just looking so bullish right now, isn't it? You can see it's pretty much just going up and to the right. And on the way up, it's trading very technically, retesting all these key levels. So overall, we're super bullish on Polygon. We think a lot of layer 2s are going to perform extremely well. We've seen the likes of that with Solana, with Avalanche. And we do think Phantom and Polygon are probably going to have their day in the sun fairly soon and have maybe 2 or 3 X's in them in a very short space of time. This is a really good quality project, as we said. And, considering, it's incredible, really, the speed of this thing, how cheap the gas fees are. Because it's a bit more centralized than most layer 2s, it obviously has that incredible speed and the utility for users. And we do really think that Polygon is probably going to continue to perform well into the future. It's delving into the metaverse play right now. The actual team of Polygon are doing that. So they're really trying to innovate and get themselves involved in some of the latest trends. And we do think this is probably going to benefit them in the long term. You can see here, we're basically still towards fair value, really ready for that next leg up to the upside. So as we said, Polygon, a really top quality project, and technically it's looking good right now. It's just consolidating before the next move, isn't it? So we'd say realistically here, if we roll to the downside, that 243 area would be a decent level of support at the bottom of the range. If we lose this, obviously heading down towards that 222 level and then getting the bounce, and then obviously heading to the upside, we want to see ourselves breaking out of the range, which was at the top here is around 267, the previous all-time high, and then heading towards that current all-time high around 293. And then, as we just said, we do think, you know, Polygon, a really good project. We could easily see it becoming $5 or $10, in our opinion, over the next few months. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.